Hey everybody, I am here with another DIY. What you're going to need for this is some kind of bunny cutout, and it doesn't have to be this big, it can be very small. Actually, I did a few of these a couple years ago, and they were very little. You'll need some paper, any kind of paper that you want to cover them with, and this is from Hobby Lobby. It's just scrapbook paper. You'll need these wheels, because this is going to be a vintage pull toy, and any embellishments that you want to put on these. Okay, so like you saw, I ripped off some of this paper. You really didn't have to. And then I painted the sides, leaving that, it's not a big deal. And what we're going to do is I'm going to put these two together, but before I do that, I want to put on this scrapbook paper. Okay? And I haven't decided if I want to paint the wheels. I probably will. Not sure yet. Anyway, let's just get this done first. I decided I wanted them different patterns from each side. So I'm going to do one with what I've been using this year a lot, is this Dollar Tree black and white floral. Okay, so let's put on, I cut it out. I just think that'll be cute, having two different patterns on each, you know what, each side will have a different pattern. What I like about this contact paper is it's repositionable, you know what I mean? If it doesn't stick terribly to where you can't get it back off if it doesn't stick exactly where you want it to. Alright, so we have her now. I just want to see what this wood will look like. Because remember, you need 4 wheels. And these are 2" by 3/4 inch. Take a screenshot of that if you have to. They're from Hobby Lobby. Okay. Anyway, let's get the other side done. Okay, and I'm going to use a glue stick. Just make sure you really get this evenly distributed. So now he's down. When you see it, it'll be different on both sides, but I am such in a quandary, guys. I don't know if I just want the wood. Let's put together these two bunnies. I like the whitewash. It still shows the wood, but it's going to be cute with it. I just couldn't leave the wood itself. It just didn't look right, but the whitewash I like. All right, now, I don't know if this, well, I'm going to have to work quick. Yeah, that's okay. It'll work. Cool. When you're working with this big of a piece, sometimes it's kind of iffy, but it did okay. Okay, now, when you're putting the wheels on, you have to make sure that they're even on the other side as well, and that's kind of tricky, so you have to kind of bring the wheel down a little bit, because if this was really going to work, they would have to have enough wheel on the surface to wheel, you know what I mean? So I'm going to just set that just a little bit. I want enough room for the foot to show and to be able to put a pom-pom here. Yep, that's good. bow. And I might even put a white little rope as the pull. And I want this side, so if you're going to be looking, that this one also has a bow. So I'm going to go ahead and put a bow with her as well. And a small one. This is more masculine to me and feminine, so that's why her bow's bigger. Cool. Now all I have to do is put the string. Okay, I got some cording and it's thicker and I like it better. I'm going to put it inside and glue it down. And that's okay because you gotta have that string somewhere, right? So it'll be at this bunny's hand. Okay, so there's your string. And when you're displaying it, you can just have it kind of coiled up. They'll get the gist. Okay, and for her, I wasn't going to, but no, you know me, I can't help it. Put a flower or two, and that is what I'm going to do. Guys, that's it. There's your pulled toy. Your vintage, you can use whatever you want. You can get vintage paper, you can get material, you can get whatever you want. And then get your string or your cording for your pull, your wooden wheels, and you're good to go. I'll show you where I'm going to put this. Okay, there's just one more thing we have to do. Did you think I would forget? The tail. Gotta have the bunny tail. Okay, there's our little bunny tail, guys, and it's got two sides, so that's why there's two tails. Let's look at our little pull toy. How cute is this, you guys? Like I said, all you need is just, you could get a printout from Google, just a regular cutout, or find a little bunny at the 99-cent store or if you're good with wood, you can cut one out. Isn't that adorable? Look at I like the way the wheels turned out. I just didn't like where it was just the pure wood, but just by dry brushing, it's perfect. And then let's look at the other side. This side was the guy, and this is the girl. So either way, you're going to see either the boy bunny or the girl bunny. Guys, I hope that you like this. I hope I've inspired you to try one of your own. And until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.